Alright, I'm back with another video. This time we're gonna say we're making a new video on adding new content, right? We're gonna use before, after, prepend, and also append. So what is before, right? The before method inserts content before the selected elements. The after method inserts content after the selected element. So what is prepend? This method inserts content inside the selected element. Say you selected H1, and if you want to insert any content, it's going to insert the content after the opening tag, right? So if you have any text, let's say John, and if you add a new text, it's going to add it before John. What append is going to add after John, right? So this method inserts content inside the selected elements before the closing tag. There are also prepend to and append to method. They work the other way around, prepend and append. So we're not going to worry about that. Prepend to and append to, you guys can search it, but that's all you need right now. Okay. So delete this from the last. This is from the last video. We're just going to use the same example. So let's get going, and we're going to say a function. Same as saying document unload, right? And we're going to select the UL element, and we're going to add something before. I'm going to add a P tag, right, before the UL element. This is before context. So if I select this, so that's our UL element that we selected, but the P element or the P tag has been added before the UL element, right? I'll keep it here so you guys can see it, and I'll copy it again and add after. This is the after content, right? Same, is adding content before and after. Alright, so now we're gonna select li, but before that we're gonna give crime, right? Crime a class, crime, and we're gonna say crime dot prepend, prepend, and we're gonna say don't do, right? Alright, so this has the class crime, so we selected that with the li with the crime, and we added don't do, so don't do crime, right? So that's simple. And we're going to select it again, and this time we're going to say append. You are going to regret it, right? Don't do crime, you're going to regret it. So that's the append. Now we're going to make a new variable, new item, new item. Inside that new item, we're going to add a new li, okay? Li. Close the li off, and this is going to be you can have some m, or just this is the new content, right? And we're gonna select li and semicolon, and we're going to say last, meaning UL, inside the UL, this li is the last crime, right? This li with the text node crime is the last li. So we're saying after the select the last li last and dot after, and we're just going to add the new item after. Okay, and see, this is the new content. Alright guys, so it was a simple video adding new content, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked something that I was teaching. Hope you learned something, and thanks, and uh, thanks for watching and subscribe. Okay.